Hello future millionaires and welcome back to my channel. I am Kayla.K.Keane and in this week's video I'll be doing an Amazon haul. I'm telling you about some interesting items I bought on Amazon, as well as giving you some tips and tricks to save money when you shop online. If you are interested in seeing what's inside of these boxes, keep watching. Welcome back. Remember to give the video a like, leave a comment, and definitely, if you have not done so already, subscribe to hear more interesting topics. Now I'm going to open box number 1. And as I open the box, I just want to remind you guys, shopping online can be very addictive. However, ensure that you are not impulse shopping by leaving your items in your cart for 2 days. If after 2 days you still feel like you need the item and you can justify the purchase, then go ahead and buy it. That's what I normally do. So I just go on Amazon, swipe through, look at items that I need. Then I normally go with a list. So I make a list in my diary, then I go online, search for the items, and then I put them in my cart, come offline, leave it in there for 2 days. If after 2 days I still feel like I need the item, then I say, all right, then I still feel the same way about the item and I purchase it. Most of the times I start deleting items out of the cart because I'm like, I really didn't need these. So that's a tool to help you to stop buying things that you don't need and to save more. So item number 1 is something that I need for business. Open the box. It came in a nice little package. And this is a lapel microphone. So as you know, I've started the YouTube journey, so of course I want to make my quality better for you guys. I don't know if you can see it. So you just run this under your clothes and you simply pin it here. Well, it's better to pin it like this. So this cord will be inside of my clothes, so I drop it inside. And then this part turns it on and off. I can turn it on and off, and then I can cancel out some of the background sound. It also has a clip on the back here, so I can attach it to the back of my pants or my skirt so that it doesn't tumble around in my clothes. So with this, I can give you guys better audio. So this was item number 1. Also, it came with a plug, so I can record from different ways. This I can connect directly to the phone and record. I have an iPhone 8 Plus, so this is actually not compatible with it, so I had to buy an adapter to convert it to something that is I can use with my iPhone. But you can also connect this cord to this area here, and then I can connect it to my MacBook to record. Alright, so I'm going to box number 2, which is the big box. And before I go any further, another tip for saving money when you shop online is to buy pre-owned items. I remember when I was buying, I love watches. If you guys know me, you know that I love watches. I have a collection of watches and I like small handbags too. However, I don't want to break the bank to buy it. So what I normally do is buy my watches pre-owned, which means that sometimes I get 50% off the normal sale value for the item. But what does pre-owned mean? Because some of you are thinking that, oh, somebody wore this item for a whole year and now I'm going to have it. No. Once Amazon ships out an item to a customer, once the box is open, then it is considered pre-owned. So you could open the box, look at it and say, I don't like this watch, or the link is too small and it cannot fit my hand, so I'm going to send it back to Amazon. They in turn give us half that price off, or maybe a quarter the price off. So that's another tip on how you can save money and get the items that you still want. So I'm moving now to my second box and I'm so excited about this one. So this is the big boy. Kind of open it up for you so I wouldn't have to struggle. And this is the other item that I purchased. Now, as I tell you before, if it's not business, I'm probably not going to spend a lot of money on it. So Amazon is one of my newest business, and because of that, and because I'm making videos, I need to have the capability for storage. I need to have proper editing and all of that. So this is a 5 terabyte Seagate hard drive. No, this is for backing up my videos. I don't want to just put them on YouTube. Although YouTube is a type of archiving system, I don't want to leave that up to YouTube. So I want to have proper storage for my videos and other important documents, because for the videos I have to also write scripts and so on. So I want to keep them archived there. So if 10 years I want to go back and look at the script, I can have them. Let me open up this bad boy and show you what's inside. My handy dandy scissors. Have to be very careful with this, you know, because if you drop this, all of your money gone down the drain, and you guys will know that this is a tad bit pricey, but it's worth it. So I get the manuals, and like most of us, I don't read manual, I mash it up, and then when it mash up, then I go read the manual and figure out how to fix it back. Sorry, but like I don't. So this is the hard drive. This is what it looks like, fully black, and it's properly placed in plastic. So as I say, if you drop it, that is it. So I have to be very careful with it, and it's kind of sleek, so I don't want it to fall out my hands. So there's a port here to attach the extension cable that came with it. So external hard drives are pretty easy to use. Once you connect the external hard drive to your USB port, you just simply wait for it to pop up and drag and drop the item that you want to save onto it. In this case, I'm saving a video. As I said before, I'm backing up all my videos for YouTube on my external hard drive for my personal safekeeping. So once that is done, you just wait for it to load up, and voila, just press play, or just check that it's there, and you're done. So the next item I bought on Amazon was my favorite, a book. And this book is called Who Moved My Cheese? And I would not review the book because it's not a finance book. However, I would recommend everybody to read this book. It really helps you with changing and transitioning, whether it's from a job, whether it's in your life if you need to have a big transition, or so on. The book was written by Dr. Spencer Johnson. I bought the book before for my mother's birthday, but I loved it so much that I had to buy another copy for a friend. So I definitely recommend that you buy this book. Now for another tip on how to save money while shopping on Amazon. For those of you who are always shopping on Amazon, you probably shop on Amazon at least once per month, I would suggest that you get Prime, Amazon Prime, because it's basically for $99 I think annually. But the trick to it is that it saves you all that shipping fee. So when you're an Amazon Prime member, you no longer pay for shipping. So get Amazon Prime if you're always shopping on Amazon. For persons like myself who rarely shop on Amazon, then you don't need to get Prime. Alright, so my next purchase was a selfie stick. Now I'm sure most of you are wondering why you're buying a selfie stick, as it's no longer a thing and so on. However, for persons who vlog, sometimes you don't want to bother other people to make a video for you, and then other times you want to be moving freely and get more than just a close facial shot. Because if I'm holding my phone in my hand, my hand can only go here and no further. But if I'm using the selfie stick, then I can extend the phone further out and make the video. So it comes easy to assemble, just 2 pieces, and you screw this part onto here. Once it's screwed tight enough, then you just pull this part out and attach your phone. You just pull, slide the phone in, And then the magic begins. So I can extend this as far as I want it, and it can go a little further. And then I can film myself. And the good thing is this part comes with a little part that you can attach to the phone right here. So you attach it to the phone, and then I can just go on the camera settings, and it has, let me retract it and show you, it has a little button here that you can press it and actually start recording. So you don't have to reach out to the phone to touch it. You just pull it out, touch it, and see, I'm recording a video on this phone. So it's a sensible purchase for vloggers, and it's actually very cost effective. Now another tip that I must tell you about when you are shopping on Amazon to save money is to do a wish list. So when you go on Amazon, you pick all the items that you want and you create a wish list. So what Amazon will do is tell you via email when the item has dropped in price. Look at that. So instead of buying something for $15, you can put it in your wish list and wait till it drops to $10 and then buy it at that time. There's, however, a disadvantage with that method. If the items never drop in price, of course, you know you're never going to get that email. But if it does, then you can go ahead and take advantage of the discount. So the final item is a ring light. And everyone that makes video, if you do makeup, if you like to take selfies, I think you should get a ring light. So I'm gonna show you how it looks and how I assemble this particular ring light. This one is actually 10-inch and it's called Beauty LED ring light. By the way, guys, if you want to purchase any of the items that I showed you, I'm going to link them all down in the description box, so you can just go down there, click the link to purchase. All right, so don't worry yourself, I got you. But I'm going to give you one last tip before I open this ring light, and that is when you are shopping online on Amazon especially, there are coupons. So you'll see $5 coupon, $10 coupon, $2 coupon. When you click on the item to purchase it and you put it in your cart, just ensure that you activate that coupon and get some money off. Money not spent is always good money. All right, let's open this bad boy now. All right, so I'm unboxing the item now. It comes with 5 pieces, and this part, of course, is the ring light itself, which has an attachment to it, which is a power cable. This is the base of the ring light, which goes under the bottom and acts as a stand. It has a part for the phone to be attached to the ring light, and this is my handy dandy remote control system, so I can record a video or take a photo without picking up the phone from the ring light, because as I said before, it has an attachment. So once the base is attached, you just open the legs to allow it to stand. This is a desktop ring light, so you just open it out to allow it to stand. This part that I'm attaching now is the appendage for the phone to go into it, so you can actually, as I said before, you can operate it wirelessly, so you can just attach the phone and use the remote to operate it. Now it comes with a USB cord, but it does not come with a block, so you can add an Android block or an iOS block to that and plug it into your power source, and then this section you use to change the mode. This light has 3 modes, so you can use it on the one that best suits the occasion. Now I'm just going to go ahead and attach the phone and show you how it looks. Once it's duly attached, you just go ahead and go into your camera settings and you are ready to take your photos like a pro. I can tell you it's pretty amazing. It's like night and day. Thank you all for watching, and if you're seeing this, it means you got to the end of the video. Give it a thumbs up and leave a comment, and definitely remember to subscribe to my channel. Now, for all the persons who clicked off, I want you to comment ring light in the comments and let them wonder what it is that we're talking about. Until next time, future millionaires, stay financially literate. Bye bye.